Welcome to your new kitchen essential, the 1000W 5-in-1 Immersion blender handheld with 12 speeds for ultimate control. This powerful blender features a turbo boost mode perfect for soups, sauces, smoothies, and milkshakes made with fresh ingredients. Its versatile design includes attachments for blending, chopping, whisking, and frothing, so you can create everything from baby food to whipped cream with ease. The ergonomic non-slip handle ensures a secure grip even when your hands are wet, making cooking safer and more comfortable. Easy to assemble and clean, the detachable parts are dishwasher safe, except for a few components requiring hand washing. Compact and durable, this blender saves counter space and is made from BPA-free plastic and stainless steel for long-lasting use. Experience the convenience and power of this multifunctional kitchen tool that truly does it all. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.